Leveraging Invideo.io for monetization on YouTube. In today's digital age, content creators are constantly seeking new ways to monetize their YouTube channels. One powerful tool that has been gaining popularity is Invideo.io. This platform offers creators a plethora of opportunities to maximize their earnings through various income streams. By utilizing Invideo.io, creators can significantly boost their revenue and expand their audience reach. From sponsored content to affiliate marketing, the potential income streams are endless. Many successful creators have shared their stories of how Invideo.io has transformed their YouTube channels, leading to substantial growth and financial success. Join the ranks of these creators and start monetizing your content with Invideo.io today. Step 1. Creating an Invideo.io account. To kickstart your journey towards monetizing your YouTube channel with Invideo.io, the first step is to create an account on their platform. Simply visit the Invideo.io website and locate the Sign Up button. Fill in the necessary details like your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've completed the registration process, don't forget to verify your email address to activate your Invideo.io account. This simple yet crucial step will grant you access to a world of monetization opportunities and set you on the path to maximizing your earnings as a content creator. Step 2. Connecting your YouTube channel to Invideo.io. After successfully creating your Invideo.io account, the next crucial step is to connect your YouTube channel to the platform. Begin by logging in to your Invideo.io account and navigating to the Settings section. Look for the option to connect YouTube channel and click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to seamlessly link your YouTube channel to Invideo.io. Be sure to grant the necessary permissions for Invideo.io to access your YouTube account effectively. By establishing this connection, you pave the way for enhanced monetization opportunities and increased revenue potential for your content. Step 3. Exploring monetization options on Invideo.io. Once your YouTube channel is connected to Invideo.io, it's time to delve into the diverse monetization opportunities this platform offers. Explore the array of ways to earn money through Invideo.io, including sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue sharing. Take the time to understand the terms and conditions associated with each monetization method to make informed decisions. Tailor your monetization strategies to align seamlessly with your content and audience preferences. By leveraging the various monetization options available on Invideo.io, you can maximize your revenue potential and elevate your success as a content creator. Step 4. Creating engaging videos to attract viewers. To captivate your audience and boost your monetization efforts on Invideo.io, it's essential to create compelling and engaging videos. Focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience's interests and preferences. Leverage the innovative tools provided by Invideo.io to enhance your videos with interactive elements and engaging features that keep viewers hooked. Additionally, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility and searchability on YouTube. By crafting captivating videos that stand out and connect with your audience, you can attract more viewers, increase engagement, and ultimately drive higher monetization potential through Invideo.io. Step 5. Promoting your videos for increased visibility. To amplify the reach of your content and enhance monetization opportunities on Invideo.io, proactive promotion is key. Share your videos across various social media platforms to expand your audience reach and attract new viewers to your channel. Collaborate with fellow YouTubers or influencers to cross-promote each other's content and tap into new audiences. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, likes, and community posts to foster a sense of community and build a loyal following. By actively promoting your videos and fostering viewer engagement, you can boost visibility, drive traffic to your channel, and maximize your earning potential through Invideo.io. Step 6. Tracking your earnings and performance on Invideo.io. Monitoring your earnings and performance on Invideo.io is crucial for optimizing your monetization strategies and maximizing your revenue potential. Utilize the analytics dashboard provided by Invideo.io to track the revenue generated from your content. Analyze the performance of various monetization strategies to identify what works best for your channel and make necessary adjustments. Set specific goals and benchmarks to measure your progress and growth over time. By staying informed about your earnings and performance metrics, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your monetization efforts and achieve greater success on Invideo.io. In conclusion, the journey to monetizing your YouTube channel with Invideo.io involves several key steps that can significantly impact your success as a content creator. From creating an account and connecting your channel to exploring monetization options and promoting your videos, each step plays a crucial role in maximizing your earnings potential. Remember to track your performance, analyze data, and continuously optimize your strategies for better results. Now is the time to take action and start implementing the valuable insights gained from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more tips and tricks on monetizing your content with Invideo.io.